This marketplace offers a rich variety of assets including 2D assets, 3D models, animations, atlases, audio, brushes, decals, education and tutorials, environments, game systems, game templates, HDRI, material and textures, smart assets, tools and plugins, UI and VFX. This video will introduce Fab, the new marketplace for digital assets. It supports assets for Unreal Engine, Unreal Editor for Fortnite, UEFN, Unity 3D, and other digital content creation tools. Fab is a unified marketplace for digital assets of various digital content creation tools in one place, where you can shop and even sell your own assets. The content on this platform is compatible with multiple game engines, including Unreal Engine and Unity. Fab offers developers various assets such as 2D assets or 3D models that can be used in all kinds of projects. Fab is the successor to the Unreal Engine marketplace, which was the place for Unreal Engine compatible assets and tools since 2014. Fab is developed by Epic Games, Inc., a video game and software developer, publisher from the US. Fab unified the Unreal Engine marketplace, Sketchfab Store, ArtStation Marketplace, and Quixel.com in one place. The content from these marketplaces is migrated to the Fab, and they plan to add more content and features later on. Also, new file formats are planned to be introduced, such as Roblox or Minecraft assets. Browse the content. This marketplace offers a rich variety of assets including 2D assets, 3D models, animations, atlases, audio, brushes, decals, education and tutorials, environments, game systems, game templates, HDRI, material and textures, smart assets, tools and plugins, UI and VFX. Filter for specific game engines. The search function allows the filtering for assets compatible with specific game engines such as Unreal Engine or Unity. Choose a suitable license. Fab offers various licenses that meet your needs, including Creative Commons license and the personal or professional tier of a standard license. 3D Viewer. Fab has a next-generation real-time 3D viewer that lets you inspect 3D assets before buying them. Forum. Fab has its separate category on Epic's dedicated forum where you can find announcements, feedback, bug reports, and various kinds of help. Learning Library. Fab offers a library of learning material offering guides and solutions such as how to sell plugins on Unreal Engine's Fab marketplace. Fab lets creators publish their own digital assets for sale on the platform. Creators selling their work on Fab can earn an 88% revenue share that is outstanding. Creators can set up their own publisher page with bio, banners, and social media links. The portal offers the viewing and download of sales reports on a daily or monthly basis. Fab has a guide for creators who want to get started as a publisher with Fab, describing every detail from signing up to creating listings on the marketplace. If you are a developer looking for assets, Fab is a great choice as it not only offers a wide variety of content types but also presents affordable prices through licenses. For creators, Fab offers an easy-to-use interface for listing and very detailed guidelines for ensuring the quality of the assets. Creating and publishing an asset on Fab is easy and does not take a long time, and the products page has enough details, including even previews. Their guides will help you through the process. One of the advantages of the marketplace from Epic is that there are regular sales that can get your assets more exposure. Fab is planning to include assets of more game engines in the future, which will make this platform to be more universal. The Unreal Engine marketplace was an excellent portal for selling assets for the Unreal Engine already, so the Fab is on the path to becoming even better. If you are looking for an asset for your future project, or even want to publish your own creations, I highly recommend Fab. When you are browsing at Fab, check out my assets as well. I will briefly introduce these original soundtrack assets. In all cases, preview is available on SoundCloud and YouTube. Links to these assets are in the description of the video. Eternity Time Warped. A collection of 7 looped music tracks in genre Electro, IDM for Unreal Engine. It is 21 minutes of audio in WAV files. Evolving Frontiers. A collection of 10 looped music tracks in genre Downtempo, Ambient for Unreal Engine. It is 23 minutes of audio in WAV files. Ballads of Heart. A collection of 14 looped music tracks in genre Synth-pop, Electronica for Unreal Engine. It is 35 minutes of audio in WAV files. Link to the Fab Marketplace is in the description of the video. If you like the video, please support it by giving a like, sharing, and subscribing to the channel. Do not forget to turn on the notification bell to be notified about the next upload. I have more content like this, various tips, overview videos, and more. In addition, I have a separate playlist for videos about AI. The links to those playlists are in the description. Which asset type are you usually looking for on marketplaces when developing your project? Please, let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching.